Hi.
Ano ba ginagawa mo dito? Pumayag na akong pumunta yung fiancé mo dito galing Amerika.
Pero pumayag ka na bang sabihin sa kanya yung totoo?
Daming demands. At maya ka na nga nagpapakita. Ang dami mo pang hinihingi.
Nakikita mo ba talaga?
Sino, ikaw? Alamang.
Kung ayaw mo na akong makita, kailangan mo na sabihin sa kanya yung totoo. Yun lang yung paraan.
Alin doon?
Lahat.
Ha? Sasabihin ko sa kanya lahat ng tungkol sa'yo?
Pati yung tungkol sa atin.
Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to our humble house.
Thank you so much, Auntie, for letting me stay.
Bakit ka nagtatago dito? Ito na yun, no?
Ayoko eh, bakit?
Shy? Oh. Shy ka. Halika dito. Halika dito.
Ay, okay lang naman. It's such a beautiful
Shy pala.
place. Are you okay?
Dadapain lang ako talaga.
Well, hi. It's so finally nice to meet you, Ram. Carl's best friend. His best friend. Oh,
Hi.
it's nice to meet you.
Ay, naku, halika na, ha? Pumasok na tayo. Ay, ang init dito.
Ako na dyan, girl.
Thank you.
Ba, anak? Tamang-tama. We cook food for you.
Sige, pwede talaga.
Sorry, how's the food, Bianca?
Auntie, it's so good. Now I know why ito yung favorite dish ni Carl.
Alam mo ba, he likes it more kapag si Ram ang nagluluto.
Really?
Oo, hindi kasi ako nagluluto. That's what she meant.
Yes. Pang-asar. Pang-asar ba ganon?
Okay, so what are you good at? Yeah.
Ay, magaling siya mag-picture.
Yes, and we have a studio over there. Ram is a 28-year-old stoner who uses film camera and manually develops each photos. Ladies and gentlemen, Philippines!
Wow, well, that's so cool. Alam mo, I always wanted to learn how they developed photos back in the day.
Ay, naku, Bianca, say no more. Tuturuan ka mag-develop ni Ram. Di ba, anak?
Mag-yes ka.
Nak.
Sorry, nabulunan lang. Yeah. Sure.
Well, great.
Why not? Yeah.
When do we start?
Naku, ipagpabukas na natin yan, anak. Alam mo, para makapagpahinga ka. Sa ngayon, kailangan kumain muna tayo. Tapos, mamaya, iikot ka ni Ram. Alam mo ba na si Carl at saka si Ram napakadalas mag-bike.
Actually, nakwento na sa akin dati yan ni Carl.
Ay, naku, tamang-tama. Gamitin mo yung bike ni Carl. Ano? Yan, sa'yo. Okay ka lang ba? Pangalawang beses mo na yan.
Yeah, no, I'm good. It's...
Well, wait. You kept it after all these years?
Kala ko tinapon mo na yan. Ikaw, ha?
Are you okay?
Okay ka lang?
No, yeah. I mean, yeah. It's the bike's there, and yeah. You can use it. Matagal ko na lang siya dapat kasing tinapon na, pero I just keep forgetting. But of course, you can use it. Kasi nandiyan na rin naman, diba? So why not, right?
I thought you were sentimental.
Kain pa tayo.
bring some noodles.
Yes, super sarap. Thank you.
Sentimental pala, ha?
Sarap, di ba?
Yeah, this is exciting.